How many jobs someone should apply? 10, 20, 30? When they can expect the results, like after applying how many jobs?
That's an unanswerable question, I guess. The idea would be one CV submission, one interview, one placement, right?
Yeah.
But it's not always like that. What I will say is you can shorten the time it takes for you to find a new position if you network like a king.
Right.
Yeah. So that's you going to events in Dubai World Trade Center, you networking at various networking events, and you go and introduce yourself and speak to people. You'll find that you're able to accelerate your rate of being able to apply for jobs and supplement what you're doing online by taking it offline.
Yeah.
There's nothing better than having FaceTime with a senior decision maker and being able to introduce yourself to get that call to action straight to the position that you want, as opposed to going through the system where you're applying for a position. They're taking a while for them to review all of the CVs.
Right.
Because let's face it,
Yeah.
the job market here is awash with talent. And so you could be submitting your CV along with hundreds of other candidates.
Sometimes thousands.
Sometimes thousands.
Yeah.
And then there's a process where they will review those CVs and shortlist the ones that are perhaps on the top tier and arrange interviews for those individuals. This could take two to 3 weeks, 4 weeks sometimes.
Yeah.
And so how do you shorten that process? Well, there's a number of ways. Be creative in your CV submission, but also supplement what you're doing online with doing some things offline. And that means going along to events and networking everywhere you can.
You can watch more videos on my channel related to this. Thank you.